Okay, so I'm unboxing this because someone sent me this and I think they want me to unbox it. So, yeah. There's a pumpkin ghost in here. A can't be tamed witch, which is up there. You can't see it. And, wait. 2008 Live in La Vida Loca skeleton that I'm gonna fix and send back. And then there's a Club Can't Handle Me grooving ghoulie ghost in here that I'm keeping and giving him that scary skull for. So, yeah. Very amazing unboxing skills, I know. Okay, this unboxing is horrible, but I don't care. Okay, so here we are unboxing this. Yes, I'm using like a little poker tool to do this because I don't have a knife up here. So I'm in my room and I'm too lazy to go to my kitchen to get a knife. So a little poker tool it is. Very smart. Definitely. Okay. Be careful not to hit my stuff with these wax. Okay. I'm assuming, yes, this is the ghoulie I'm keeping. Which is very exciting. I've been wanting one of these. For batteries? No. Okay. Oh, and there's money. Okay. So, yeah. I even did it on bubble wrap, too. Okay, I know my room's a mess. Don't say anything. Okay. Oh, there's the pumpkin head. Okay, I don't need this poker thing anymore. Okay, there's Live in La Vida Loca. Again, no batteries. Okay. Just gonna... I don't know where to put them. Heck. My room is such a mess. Oh my gosh. Bruh. Okay, I'm just gonna put them over here. So that they don't break. Oh my god. Bruh. I should have cleaned my room. But, this is can't be tamed. Here's this one. No batteries. Okay, I'm gonna put them here. There, that's good. The pumpkin head ghost. Whoa, like the paint on the head is like way better than this. What the heck? Okay. Yeah. This one looks so much nicer than mine, but whatever. Okay. Like, the paint on mine is like so much dimmer, or like, I don't know how to explain it. And like around the face on mine, it's like not as well painted. And also mine's really good. I've had it since 2011, but yeah. So I'm gonna fix these and then, yeah, I'm gonna make a repair video too, so look out for that. Or, wait, I was gonna end it, but I should probably try these on video. So, I'm unwrapping batteries. Okay, and yes, these are alkaline, I know. this is how we got to use Old Pumpkin Ghost and Dark Horses, so, yeah, that ticking is really loud. Now I understand. Okay. Yeah, he said that it was ticking and that he didn't know what was the issue, and I said that he should just leave it alone, but now I did it. Okay. Okay, this is 2008 Living Lita Loca. Every time I unbox something on my desk gets dirty, and I hate it. But yeah, I'm saving the ghost for last. So, here's this. This has a split gear in the arms. He tried to fix it, but failed because there was a screw that was stripped in it. Here is Can't Be Tamed. Has a hat. Is this still glued on from the factory? Most of them are like hot glued on. Ooh, okay. Look at this hat, it's like tight on there. Normally they're kind of loose. Yeah, this one's just splitting really bad. I'll close the arms better when I fix it too, so. Okay, oh, I almost forgot the best one. Okay. I mean, it's not really the best one here, this one would be, but it's the one I'm keeping, so it's the best one for me, so. Another $20 anyways, too. Okay. I like that pitch too, because normally these are really high pitched. I didn't even know what the pitch was. Wait, what the heck is this? Like, I knew that, like, the mummies, especially, their fabric got, like, way, way worse from 2011 to 2015, or the Ghost 2009 to 2015. But this fabric is so thin, it's literally, like, underneath the Ghost cloth right here. Like, this is, like, hard fabric, like, nice fabric, and the top cloth is okay on these, but not as good. These are like the top hat Ghost cloths, kinda, but a little bit better. But this is so thin. Yeah, it's the exact same material and exactly as thin as under these. Whatever. That's probably, like, if you don't take care of that, that's gonna rip really easily. But yeah, I'll play this one all the way through too. Or actually, I'll put the phone back on the holder. This one. Yeah, I'm so excited to have this. Oh, it stops earlier than the green skeletons, too. So yeah, hopefully that when I get my green skeleton, it's the same pitch. So, yeah. I'm getting that in, like, a month. So, yeah. I'm gonna fix up these 3, send them back, and send him that scary skull. Yeah, my room is such a mess. Don't tell me. I know. Okay. So, goodbye. Okay, so, just some updates. This is the scary skull. I have to finish fixing this. This is the skeleton fixed. The mechanism isn't the quietest thing ever, but I don't know what to do with that. Here's the fixed pumpkin ghost, no more ticking, and the piece like that goes inside the mechanism in here was snapping really bad, so I replaced that too, and now this works really good. Oh, and I replaced the gear in this arm. At some point the arm was held, I think, or something, and it was like the teeth were kind of broken a little, so it was ticking this arm, so yeah. And then the last one can't be tamed. This one I replaced both gears and put in new grease, so this one works perfectly. So yeah, there are the 2011 boys and the 2008 boy. Okay.